Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect Total. What is Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect Total? Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect Total Triple cleans your swimming pool. The product aids in cleaning filters and scum lines with natural-based enzymes that break down pollen, sunscreens, and other waste. Pool Perfect Total uses the industry-leading phosphate remover to control phosphate contamination. Lastly, it aids in clarifying the water, making your pool sparkling clear. Product benefits: triple clean for a perfect pool. Naturally based enzymes break down pollen, sunscreens, lotions, oils, and more, reducing filter cleaning and scum lines. Removes phosphates. Improves water clarity. Usage directions: this product is designed for use in properly balanced pool water. Step 1. Shake the bottle well, as the contents may settle. Step 2. Each week, add 1 cupful per 10,000 gallons of water into the skimmer with the circulation system running. Step 3. Proceed with regular pool operations. Note: sanitizer level should be below 5 ppm before adding this product. Dosage: 1 cupful per 10,000 gallons of water per week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.